Tuna question number 22. Sum hi 10,000 ya. Tro chan a rate hi 20% ya. For first year ti chuan hemi hi 20% in tihan kan cancel anga 2000 for first year ania. Tuna new principal en zat nga ti chuan sing khata hian 2000 kan belanga. So 12,000. Tuna 12,000 hi a 20% en zat nga ti chuan 2400. Tuna new principal en zat nge hemit panigan bellenga tihan bezel chinamo 12000 le 42400 chu 14400. Tuna rate 20% ne tro chon thlathumani chon 1/4 en tro 12/4 chu thlathumani chu chon hemi 5% ni dona. So 14400 hi hemi 5% hi en zat nge ti chuan 144 into 5 chu 720 anichina. So 2000 zali le zasari somni gan belanga kan answer chu 5120 hemi kan answer ni dona. Question number 23. Amount chu ang formula p 1 plus r by n into nt. So p ang zat nga 12500 netro jan 1 plus 8 by 100 into n ang zat nga 2 ania 12500 1 plus 8 by 100 chu zat nge zale pariyat by 100 12500 into zale pariyat square chu 11664 and china chun 100 square chu heti zatina 0 pathum le 0 pathum kan cancel anga hemi 25 in chun hemi 2 in chun hemi 5832 to 25 le hemi kan multiply ang hemi 4 in multiply la chun divide bokila we can divide chun 1458 mm 1458 option mm yes a 1458 chun hemi 4 into 25 hi 100 enchina 100 hat an bel thai so 145800 hemi can answer. Now question number 24. A wire is looped in a form of circle of radius 14 centimeter near chun same wire is bent in a form of square and the only chu circumference kan zona as 2 pi r equals to en zat nge hi kan shalo dra 2 into pi hi r okay hemi 2 in cancel 222 is 44 and 44 into 2 88 so a total length to 88 and dona tuna a square kan sem chon 88 a vine ni chon heta 22 ve kan dona tuna nge question what must be the length of the side of the square 22 he can answer ni bai tuna question number 25. The length of the longest pole that can be put in a form okay hemi chu tian direct formula china 12 square plus 9 square plus 8 square so 12 square ang 144 plus 9 square 81 plus 8 square 64 le 81 chu 145 ania chun 145 le 144 chu 189 ania 189 square root chu ang 17 hi kan answer. Tuna question number 26. 60 minute hi 360 degree ani china tro maseng 1 minute ang zat nge 360 by 60 so hemi 6 ani dona 6 degree maseng 35 minute ai tro question an 35 minute oma chemi wan chon 35 hi 6 in kan multiply 35 6 jan zat nge ti chon zani le so man china the area of segment formula kan mang don ta hian theta by 360 into pi r square hemi formula kan mang china so degree is ani le som kan nei to divided by 360 pi r square hemi kan calculate anga hemi 7 ani dona 00 chon 7 by 12 in cancel thai don ra 7 by 12 into 22 by 7 into 12 square chu 144 entry na tiang anzia kang anoi mi 12 le chu mi 12 7 le 7 kan cancel so 22 le 12 kan multiply chon 4 to pa mem 22 into 12 ane tro hei eng ma po solve ngai lo atopa 2 le 2 kan multiply 4 ane tro atopa 4 ko yang option atopa 4 ko yang tam lo hei kan answer. Tuna question number 27. The diameter of a wheel is diameter and zat nge 140 centimeter na the distance covered by the wheel in 8 revolution okay one revolution here nge one revolution ju 2 pi r and chetro 2 into pi into r and zat nge diameter 140 chon r chu 70 ni dona 7 le 70 10 in kan cancel nga 2 into 22 chu 44 chon 44 into 10 chu zali le somli centimeter hemi 1 revolution ya chon 8 revolution ti chon 18 kan multiply nga 232 chon 35 hada 35 ania nga hemi centimeter ne dro meter kan meter kan convert chon 35.2 he can answer. Hemi nge question number 2 area of rectangular field is length into breadth given 2304. The ratio of length and breadth is L by B to 16 by 9. And yeah, what is the perimeter? Okay, perimeter zone perimeter to 2L plus B kan shala utina chu. Hata trangen L anga 16 by 9 B and yeah, hemi heta kan put up L into B equals to 2304 and L anga 16 by 9. 16 by 9 B and yeah, chon B square 16 by 9 equals to 2304. Tuna B square hemi 9 here tanda 16 is noya, so 9 by 16 chuan 2304 hemi square ikanda sonanga hata tahangan ziak na square root 9 square root to 3 nya 16 square root to 4 2304 anga square root chi chuan 48 square root ania, so tahan 48 kan ziak nga 4 in kan cancel nga 12 zar, so anga kan nei B hi 36 kan nei ya chun L hi an zat nga kan nei don tuna 9 36 36 9 in can cancel 4 16 4s are 64 and yeah, hey length po kan nei to 64 chon breadth po 36 kan nei ya chu wangin 64 le 36 chu hata 2 into length enge 64 breadth enge 36, so 64 le 36 chon zat nge ti chon za ania chon za le 2 multiply chu 200 meter kan answer. Question number 29. What is the cost of fencing semicircular field? Hey, semicircular field chu hemi hinia tuna hami ang ensang radius ti chon radius 42 meter ne tro chon perimeter of semicircle enge pi r plus 2r ani china du chon tiang pan kan siak te 22 by 7 into r 48 ne tro sorry 42 nia plus 2 into 42 hemi le hemi 16 kan cancel 622 zan zat nge 132 plus hemi hi plus 42 2 zan zat nge di chon 84 kan belanga 216 ane tro tuna 216 hi meter khatatan cheng ni ni chuan meter zani som paru khatan en zat nge 216 into 2 chu 432 hi answer. Question number 30. 11 1 by 9%. hemi 1 by 9 ani china chu wangin of 1818 chu hada of chu multiply nia 1818 chu yan 9 in kan cancel anga 202 hi kan answer. 202 hi kan answer. In an election, two candidates, Moya and Fela, contested. Moya got 35% of votes but was defeated by Fela by 750 votes. What was the total number of votes polled in the election? The question are total A kan ngai china. A winner kan zat ngani don hemi 35 ani chana winner chu 65% ni don ta tro winner zo ki chimi wang chan 65A by 100 and kan china chan a loser hi 35A by 100. So tuna eng mati ngai lawa defeated by ati wangin defeated by Fela chumi wangchan Fela hi ahmazo kan ziak nga 65% tahian minus 35% equals to exact nga vine 715 ya chu vine 750 tangan ziak nga hei zaum veve a chumi wangchan hei kan zom de yang a chan heta za kan ziakang 65 train 35 page exact nga 30a nia 30a nia sorry 30a nia 0 le 0 and cancel anga chan 3 table 75 yes 25, so A equals to 2500 A hi 2500, so can answer to 2500. Rava spends 30% of his monthly salary on food items and donates 10% to a trust. He spends 25,000 on these two items. Total monthly salary. Initial salary hi 100 unit angin ngaila 30% le 10% omzia chu 40% hi unit angin ngaila chun 40 unit hi angzat nge rupees 25,000 ya, so 1 unit angzat nge ni don 25,000 divided by 4 to 0 le 0 and cancel anga ange bang don 2500 by 4 du chana mi hi 25 into 100 poti thea divided by 4 to 100 4 can divide 25 the 25 square chu 625 ania, so 1 unit hi 625 and each one 100 unit and zat ngani don 62500 hi a monthly salary. A discount and zat 10% and evangin 1250 10% chu 125 ania, selling price chu mark price minus discount ania, so mark price ka 1250 ania chun discount hi 125 can minus chun 1125 1125 hi can answer. Hey 1125 hi can answer. Question number 34. Mark price of a hair dryer 5500 nya. It is sold for selling price 4950 after discount. Okay, discount condition of 5500 engaman is that discount and pay 100 minus x by 100 equals to 4950. The hemi 550 here 5500 here and y ata kan zia kanga jan kan cancel ang tihian. Hemi 11 in kan cancel them 45. Hemi 11 can cancel them 50. Hemi 9 by 10 ania. 100 minus x divided by 100 equals to 9 by 10. 0 and can cancel ang bang ange bang don 100 minus x. Hemi 10 hi 9 and can multiply nga. So x equals to 100 minus 92 10 he can answer. Question number 35. In a poultry farm having hens and pigs, Moya can see 84 heads and 282 legs. Archan ke pani ne ya 2 legs an ya chen pig chuan ke pali ne ya 4 legs. So total head ti chuan and zat nge hen plus pig ti chuan avain 84 an ya chen ake tita ila hen in pani ne pig in pali an ya chumi wang chen hatan equation pani kan sia manga. Equation 2 hi 2 in kan divide well lenge kan hudan 2p equals to 141. Then equation number 3 kan motro hi 1 nya hi 2 nya h yang 84 minus p nya. So then hi in 84 minus p kan tianga plus 2p equals to 141. Tahian 2p train p pahat kan pe chuan only p abang dona. Hemi 84 hi 141 train kan minus anga p equals to 141 minus 84. So 57. So p equals to 57. Maseng r hi hen exact nge ti chuan 84 train 57 kan pe yang 27 hi kan answer. Question number 36. Tiang sol tur chuan lelam a square kan square de into x equals to 168. Hemi pai 168 hata kan sia kang x equals to 168 into 168 divided by 18 into 14. Hemi 7 table ama 7 2s are hemi 2 4. Okay, hemi 2 can cancel let ya 12 in. So na hemi 6 table ama 6 2s are hemi 6 3s are hemi kan cancel anga 3 in 5 6. Okay, 56 2s are zat nge each one 56 2s are zale sompani can answer. Question number 37. In an auditorium the number of row is equal to number of chairs in each row. Hemi ainang. So a le a can multiply nga ang zat nge 2025. So a square ang zat nge 2025 ane tuna a equals to under root 2025 square root 45 hi can answer. So a hi can answer. Least number by which 1125 must be multiplied so as to obtain a perfect square. Perfect square to 1125 ane tro hemi tuna 1125 hi 5 in can divide anga 2 5 ani dona chim za hemi 35 in can divide lenga 45 hemi 5 in can divide lenga 9 tuna 3 nia chan 3 on chu 5 hi voi thum kan ne ya chan 3 hi chu voi ni kan ne hemi even a kan ne ya hemi poi pair kan siam hemi hian pair asiam angai ve chumi nuwa chi chuan hemi poi hian pair asiam angai nge ya so 5 into 5 kan nei vele pair asiam anga perfect square siam ve thei don so kan answer chu 5 hin dona. Hemi question ahen cos 54 le cos 126 hi 0 ani china cos 63 le cos 117 hi 0 ani china cos 120 chi abang dona cos 120 chu minus half ani china answer. Question number 40. 2000 3000 and 4000 and ratio in zat nge ti chan 2 ratio 3 ratio 4 ania. What will be the share of lomi when they divide a profit of 2700? Okay, lomi hi 3 hi ni ta tra hemi is okay. So 3 by 7 plus 2 9 ania and profit and zat nge ti zat ania hemi kan cancel anga 300 so 900 hi answer hemi 900 hi answer.